What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Unique Restorations. In this video, I'm going to show you how I brought back to life this curb find. Now I found this in exactly the condition you see it in now. That was a condition that I picked it up. It was just parted out. The wood was pretty bad, but everything was there. It was complete. And I just decided, well, let me give this a shot, see if I can bring this thing back to looking good. Now this bench here is going to be more of a decorative piece than an actual functional bench just because of the condition of the wood. So there really was no need to reinforce it that much. So I'm gonna leave a link in my description and in my comment section for these different products I use to clean, restore, and seal all these different restoration projects that I have. So be sure and check those out. So I just kind of reinforced it to where it was pretty sturdy and decide what I was going to do with it after that. So I can't believe somebody threw this out. This is a really good looking bench, just as is. I was gonna leave it just like that, but there is a lot of, I would say it's like mildew on the wood, a lot of rotted spots in the wood. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it with a real thick latex paint. Now this paint here was a Oops paint that I bought for about $1 a while back. This is my second project using this same can of paint. So all in on paint, probably spent about 50 cents on this project. So this piece here, I didn't clean it, I didn't sand it, I didn't do anything to it. All I did was put it back together and paint it. Painting over the dirt and all. And the reason I'm doing this, like I said, it's going to be more of a decorative piece than a functional piece. But I am painting every inch of this bench, not just the face. And that's just to ensure I get maximum life out of this wood. I really like the way it looks stained, but it was going to be too much work to remove the original stain, restore the original wood, stain it, and seal it. So this was the easier route, but it still looks pretty good. And if I did go ahead with actually staining it, you'd see a lot more of the imperfections in the wood, just because the wood was really damaged and there were pieces that probably would have to be replaced. So this paint really covered up a lot of the imperfections. Now, if you're new to my channel, be sure and check out all my other restoration projects. I got a bunch of stuff on there. I'm sure there's something you'll enjoy on my channel. So again, I only gave it one coat, but this paint is really thick and it covers a lot of the imperfections. So if you were to go out and buy a bench like this brand new, you probably end up spending about 150 bucks. Made sure to put a heavy coat on the bottom of the legs because that's where you're going to get a lot of the wear. So that's my video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out all the other videos on my channel and check you on the next one.